Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. I unfortunately have lost lots of video over the last 2 years, but what I have, I'm gonna hopefully start compiling and putting out just for self-documentation. One of those items is my patio cedar ceiling that I've created, and this is from last year, June 2024. Okay, here's what I came up for my staining station. Unfortunately, that's west that way, and the sun comes in. You're not supposed to stain these in the sun, but I really don't think it's going to matter for the short amount of time they're going to be in the sun. So I'm staining them here. This is just a couple of pallets stood on end with a couple cross members, and I take you over here. Not the best lighting. You can see the beautiful color, and I think it's going to look just fantastic. And here's some more, and I guess that's it. I'm working my way through these quicker than I thought. Got a lot of questions on the tractor and how do I like it. I need to make a video on that. Slowly but surely I'm cleaning this mess up. This is all garage sale stuff. We're going to sell a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff for sale. We got the last batch of cedar tongue and groove that I'm staining, down to the last few planks. I think out of the batch I had 2 or 3 that were, I think, are going to be unusable because I had a knot that was blown off up in a little too far, and when they're put together you're going to see a hole. You know, I don't want to leave a crevice there where bugs can invade and get in the roof like bees or whatever. Here's some trim. I'm gonna need some more trim to go around the outside. I thought I had 2 more, and show you everything that I've gotten done. Here's my stack right here. It's all done. I love the color of it. So moving right along here. To show you how much waste I had from the cedar. That's it. That's my whole ceiling waste right there. One end cut on each board. Wish I could do something with it. It smells good. What she's looking like. I have a couple dimming LEDs up in here. Is an access point for wireless. I just threw some stain on there because it looked gaudy being white, but not real nice. It was pretty easy to install. I have a couple birdies nest there, and there's one on the other side which I'll be removing late fall, I guess. Anyways, that's that. One thing for documentation is I do have some Ethernet networking cable up in here in case I ever need to add another device of some sort. Anyway, pretty happy with the way everything turned out here. It looks really nice.